this is an update on the basement putting green as requested by a couple of viewers. Here it is when I have the LED lights on. I don't know if this was in the other video. I think it was. I've trimmed it with some flexible trim. Oh, here comes Maggie. Hey, Maggie. I've trimmed it with some flexible PVC trim. That made it real nice. That way we can get to the laundry room still, which is right there. So you just walk in and you're right there. Now I wired it with some LED lights. So you can see the lights underneath the rim here, and the color is changeable. Like if you want it green right now, it's coming out a little blue. If you wanted it red, it could be red. We've got a green puck light back there. Red's kind of cool. Kind of neat. Now he wants to be in every shot. All right, like I was saying before, before I got so rudely interrupted by my dog who wants to play down here all the time. This is what it looks like when it's dark down here. Now I don't putt when it's dark down here because there's no sense in that. But it came out really cool. I mean, let's light it up. I'm gonna show you. So I'll use it as much as a putting green as I do for a workout space. As you can see, I got all my workout stuff over here. I just bring over this yoga mat over here and I put it on the putting green so they can have a nice space to work out. Got my TV over there. And I can watch TV while I'm working out. All my training aids that I use to keep my swing strong and in tune. So yeah, so this is how it came out. It's very, very nice. I'm very happy with it. The only thing I might do is change out the grass. This is really cheap grass, as you can see in the video I made about how I made this. It's really cheap, Home Depot, 50 cents a square foot grass. I like neatness here, so I made these little golf ball pyramids. That one holds that many. Holds that many, and then this is a regular size one that I made a while ago. Holds some of my practice balls. I added a golf cup that I had kind of laying around, and I got that one with the flag and the puck light back there. What I would do if I was going to do this again with the lighting is I would put the lighting in first before I laid down the plywood. Because you can't see any lights coming out of this one even though they're under here because there's a beam here and the light's not getting through. So I did tuck the lights in this hole right here. The lights go in and under, but it does not show through the holes like I wanted it to, but that's okay. It was an experiment. You could also wrap the holes individually with ribbon tape, the LED ribbon tape. They sell that in sections, and I might do that going forward. You never know, but it's a great little practice space. I'll show you some video of myself using it. I don't know that it helped me this season because it's kind of a rough season on the greens, but that's because I didn't play a lot. Just didn't play a lot. When you don't play a lot, shit happens. Bad shit. So yeah. Oh, here's some other additions. I added these little drink rails. When I'm down here, I'm usually having an adult beverage. Cheers to my good buddy Jay, who died last year. Cheers, buddy. But yeah, got my little Eddie Van Halen guitar that I made up there. It's a Fernandez guitar that I turned into a little Eddie Van Halen tribute. I did that last year before he passed away, unfortunately. Got some antique golf clubs that I bought at an auction. Where did I buy these? Garage sale up in New Hampshire or something that I keep up here. Might as well give you a little tour while I'm here. All my badges from working at the many golf tournaments that I have worked at in the Boston area and Connecticut and New York. All my signed Deutsche Bank hats. That's a cool one on the right. That's got all 3 Olympians on it. Oh, Zach Johnson's on there, but he's not an Olympian. So it's Matt Kuchar, Justin Rose, Zach Johnson, and that is the Terminator, Henrik Stenson. The only one that's not wasn't an Olympian was Zach Johnson. And like I said, Ernie Els, Patrick Reed. I'm not an autograph guy, but I just happened to be standing next to those guys and said, "Hey, could you sign my hat?" So yeah, so really cool. I love it. I'm gonna show you some video of me putting on it now. But oh, I also added this rough back here that I chipped from. And it's a really tough chip, I'll show you, because you got to get it to stop on this really hard surface. There's no padding. That's the other thing I do is I might add some padding underneath it so that it has a little spring to it, a little bounce to it. But let me show you that right now. Hopefully you can see that. Now I really can't chip with my 56 from back here because it's really hard with that. I'll try it. This is a 60. I'll chip it. We pretty much just have to catch it real clean like that. That looks nice. Nice in the hole. Let's try it with the 56. I do all my chipping with a 56. I don't chip with a 60. You can see the noise it makes. Okay. Oh, just now that one was kind of hard, but still, you get the picture. Works pretty nice. I've got my eyeline putting system set up over here. Nowhere near the hole. In my trouble all year. Oh, still with that. Not too hard. Yay, I made one. Try this one over here. Phenomenal. So I use my eye line with it. I make sure it's lined up at the hole. This is a great training aid. Got a mirror on it. Lean over it. Put shoulders on the red line. Do that 100 times and you improve. There you go. Putting green update. I would love to do some upgrades to it, and that might come in the future. But I can chip from back here. This is just some longer rough I bought at Home Depot. That was, I don't know, 60 cents a square foot.
Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a couple of thumbs up. Like the video. Share the video.